Hello there, everyone. I hope you're keeping safe out there during the lockdown season. So, today on my lockdown diaries in the kitchen, as you can see, I am making Palava sauce. So, I'll show you how I make my simple Palava sauce. So this is my Palava sauce already chopped. I already steam it on the side before I use it. And then I have my Kobe in our local dialect. And then I have my tuna, smoked fish. We have a agushi. And then we would also have eggs, chopped peppers, some sliced onions, tomatoes, green pepper for sauce. And then, of course, we have this momone. Yeah, it gives it all that splendid aroma. And of course, my oil to start with. So I start off by frying my Kobe in my palm oil under medium heat. I fry it for about 2 to 5 minutes and just to have it a little crunchy so that it doesn't break in my stew. And so I fry that for a few minutes and then I will take it off from the fire. So after taking my salted fish from the oil, I'll just put in my salted fish, which we call momone, and then I'll just toss and turn it in the oil for about a minute or two before I pour my chopped onions. After tossing in my momone in a few minutes, I will then go ahead to add my chopped pepper and garlic in the oil and just leave it to simmer for some time. Once that is done, I'll pour in my sliced onions. You know, I love a lot of onions. At least beginning and ending of my stews, I'll just put in onions to give it a great taste, Leave that to simmer for about 2 minutes. Well, depending on how you would want your onions to fry, you can leave it for some time, to separate evenly. Then I will go ahead to add my tomato puree, or tin tomatoes, tomato paste. I'll add that, and then I'll just leave it to simmer for some time and leave it under medium heat. So at this point, we'll go ahead to add tomatoes into the sauce and then make sure to add all of it. And then we'll go ahead to stir gently and leave it to simmer. Add your spices, your pepper or powdered pepper if you prefer that, or your blended pepper and onions. You can add those as well. It gives it an amazing aroma for you to enjoy your stew. So yeah, I like pepper, so I just add that and add your smoked fish to the sauce. I like to flake my fish sometimes. Yeah. Make sure to add all of it in your sauce, and I would like to reserve the Kobe for later. I don't want it splitting in my stew. I also already had my willy steamed on the side to make it a lot more tender so that I can add it into my sauce. So I add that as well, and then stir all of it and leave to simmer for some few minutes. So while the sauce is on fire, I like to mix up my agushi melon seeds and my eggs together into a mixture. So I'll beat that up into a very smooth mixture. If it's way too thick, you can add a little water and beat that up evenly, and then you can add it into your sauce and just leave it without stirring so that it can be chunky a bit. Yeah. Whisk that up gently, and then you can go ahead to add it into your sauce. After a few minutes of leaving to simmer, you can just check up on it to be sure that your stew does not burn, and then you can add the rest of your fish and also add the rest of your vegetables. Remember, we save them for later. Yeah. So you can just add that and leave to simmer for some time so that all the ingredients will be infused in the fish. This just looks so good. Remember, we had steamed our contemporary earlier, so we can just get some of the water. Don't throw your water away, just put it up in your sauce so that your stew can be a lot more relaxed. Okay, so you go ahead to add your contemporary into your sauce mixture on fire and just leave it to relax for some time, a lot more tender and tastier. Just make sure that everything is infused in your sauce, and voila, this is just ready and looks so good. I think I'll just have my rice instead, right? And just some pear on the side. So here we go. We have our contemporary stew ready. Tell me what you've been up to during this season. And it's always great to have family around. Do well to stay safe. Wash your hands under running water. Use a sanitizer as often. And keep being awesome. Cheers.